In this video we're covering the removal and replacement of the thermostatic valve. For this you will need 2 people, a pair of pump pliers, a Phillips screwdriver and a 2.5mm Allen key. Also you can use a cloth to prevent scratching of the valve and any of its components. The first step when undertaking any maintenance on your shower is isolating your water supply. Unscrew both cylinders coming out of the top and middle chrome dials and put them to one side for safekeeping. Insert the Allen key into both dials and unscrew slightly to allow them to be removed. Approximately half a turn should be enough. In regards to the bottom dial, turn it clockwise until the chrome cylinder points towards 5 o'clock. Take out the grommet, insert the Allen key in order to unscrew the dial for removal. The top and middle dials have securing plates in position that need to be unscrewed. If they are too tight to undo by hand, grab a cloth to cover them and unscrew using a set of pump pliers. The cloth is optional of course, it is there to prevent the scratching of any of the plates. Unscrew both and remove. Once removed, remove the etching plates. Loosen all the Jubilee clips on the hoses that are connected to the valve. Once this is done, simply pull the hoses off the valve. The temperature etching plate unscrews. If it feels too tight, get your assistant to gently apply pressure from the rear to take away some of the strain, allowing easier removal. Remove the plate, then the person at the back supporting the valve can lift it out of the column. To remove the selector cartridge, use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw from the side. Once removed, unscrew the cylindrical securing piece. The exposed cartridge will simply pull out. Once removed, check inside the valve for any debris. If there is any, simply remove it. To insert the new cartridge, align the locating pieces on the bottom of the cartridge with the inner of the valve. Push securely into position, screw the cylindrical securing piece back and replace the screw. To remove the water flow cartridge, unscrew the cylindrical securing piece, take your pump pliers and loosen the water flow cartridge to remove. Check inside the valve for any debris. If there is any, simply remove it. Then, once removed, take your new cartridge, screw it back in and tighten with pump pliers. Then finally, replace the cylindrical securing piece. To remove the thermostatic cartridge, slide off the G-shaped ring on the cartridge. Take the cloth and pump pliers and unscrew the cartridge, lift it out and check for any debris, clearing it out if there is any. Take the new cartridge, insert and screw into position, tighten up using some pump pliers. Replace the G-shaped ring, ensuring that the top of the G aligns with the 12 o'clock position. Place the valve into the column, screw the temperature plate back into position, ensuring that the valve is in place with the 38° symbol at 12 o'clock. Reattach all hoses on the rear, pushing them onto the valve, then bring up the Jubilee clips and tighten over the hose and valve spigots. Replace the water flow plates with the etchings between 3 and 6 o'clock and tighten the securing nut in place to lock in position. Replace the selector plate with the etchings aligned to the configuration of hosing on the back. It should have the monsoon shower head at 12 o'clock, hand shower at 4 o'clock and body jets at 8 o'clock. Then secure in place by replacing the nut. Tighten both nuts using pump pliers. Replace the bottom chrome dial with the cylinder in the 5 o'clock position. Then tighten in position using the Allen key and replace the grommet. Place the middle dial back into position with the hole aligned to 3 o'clock at the top of the plate's etchings. Tighten using the Allen key, then screw in the cylinder. Check the dial turns through 90 degrees between 3 and 6 o'clock. Place the top chrome dial back into position and turn to hear the clicks. The plate etchings and clicks should align. If they don't, simply remove the dial and rotate slightly. Do this until all the clicks and etchings align. Tighten in position using the Allen key and replace the chrome cylinder.